The biggest challenges I've experienced over the last 20 to 18 months is understanding how to transition a team from in-residence training to virtual training.
How we went from our training that was in-house to our training that was virtual.
Past year, with all the challenges that COVID has brought, we've done a phenomenal job at staffing for our organization and being able to take care of our patients.
Now it's time to see what we've got in front of us, get it figured out, and come up with some consistent ways of doing things and adding technology tools to enable this.
This is our second time at SSOW, and we're here to talk to shared services organizations about how they can automate business processes.